If you wake up feeling sluggish or low on energy, this quick 7-minute yoga flow will instantly wake up your body and mind. We will open up the chest, fire up the core, and boost circulation, leaving you refreshed and ready for the day. Let's get started. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and lift your arms. Exhale and bend your elbows into cactus shape, squeezing your shoulder blades together as you expand the chest. Inhale, again up. Exhale into cactus. It improves posture, relieves shoulder stiffness, and expands the chest for better breathing. Now stand with your feet mat width apart. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale and stretch to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, stretch to the right. It enhances spinal mobility. It stretches your obliques and intercostal muscles, and it deepens your breath capacity. Now start in tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale and extend your right leg. Exhale and bring your knee to your nose, rounding your spine. It strengthens the core, improves balance and coordination, and increases spinal flexibility. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now come to standing again. Step your left foot back into high lunge. Inhale and lift your arms up. Exhale and shift into Skandasana, the side lunge, to the right. Move between high lunge and side lunge, flowing with your breath. It will build your lower body strength. It enhances hip flexibility and boosts circulation. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now stand with your feet wide apart, toes slightly turned out. Inhale and reach your arms up into star pose. Exhale, lower into goddess pose with the knees bent and thighs parallel to the floor. Arms in namaskar. This will strengthen the thighs and glutes. It will improve balance and stability and will enhance energy flow.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want.
Now start in forearm plank as you inhale.
Do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Exhale and push back to Dolphin pose with the hips lifted like downward dog.
today's gonna be a good day.
Keep your core engaged.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
It will strengthen your arms, shoulders and core, will improve your posture and will boost blood circulation.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do.
Now kneel with your knees hip-width apart, your hands on your waist. Inhale and lean slightly back, opening up your chest. Exhale, swing your arms down behind you. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and down. Continue flowing. It will improve your lung capacity, your spinal flexibility, and will boost energy and circulation. Now finally, lie on your back with the hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders and bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Switch side in bicycle pedaling motion.
Other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts.
This will strengthen your abs and core, will improve digestion and circulation, and will add a final burst of energy.
So I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So this was it. Now I am going to lie down directly into Shavasana. If you feel the same way, go ahead and just melt into your mat and enjoy a moment of stillness. Whenever you feel good, get back to seated position. Now you're fully awake, and this flow gets your body moving, improves circulation, and boosts your energy for the day ahead. Start your morning with this and you will feel the difference. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more energizing yoga flows. See you next time. Bye-bye.